Students, guys, users, colleagues, guardians, you are most welcome. The students of honors put their Department of Accounting. It's your concern, and I am going to discuss holding company accounts. From advanced accounting, I have taken more than 6 classes on these topics. Since it is a royal sum, I think that you need some more lectures. For this, I want to deliver another important lecture on these topics. Dear students, now I am going to the question of NU Honors 2015 and 2005. Most of the students dare not answer this question. I think it is quite mistaken of you. If you dare, you can easily do this sum, and if you can prepare the important notes of this sum, you will be able to do this sum. At first, you have to learn some important theories which I discussed in my previous classes, and you have to exercise the previous questions which set in your question papers. However, I am going to discuss the sum. A few minutes ago I have tried, but because of poor network system, I can continue my classes with my satisfaction. Now I retry, and I think that I will be able to do or to conduct my classes smoothly or properly. Now the question pattern, I am going to discuss the question. You should be attentive and hear my lectures mindfully. At first, we are given balance sheet as the 31st December 2005. Fixed assets 1,80,000, subsidiary limited 1,68,000. Investment 1,400 shares in S Limited 1,56,000. That means each limited bought 1,400 share from S Limited by investing taka 1,56,000. What information you have got? That is holding company and each invest taka 1,56,000 and bought, and in exchange of 1,56,000 each bought 1,400 share from S. S is subsidiary company limited here. Stock or inventory, 3,90,000. Debtors or account receivable and 10. Bills receivable or note receivable 10. S Limited. In S Limited there is no bills receivable or note receivable. Cash in hand, it's limited 26,000 and S Limited 8,000. Completion of asset sides or asset parts of H Limited and S Limited. Now the liabilities. Share capital, first share taka 100, 10 lakh and 2 lakh. S Limited 10 lakh and S Limited 2 lakh. If we divided 2 lakh by 100, we will see that S Limited has 2000 shares. From 2000 shares, H Limited bought 1400 shares. The remaining share 2000 less 1400 equal to 600 now on hand of S Limited. Profit and loss account H Limited 2,80,000. Here we are not given last year profit or current year profit of H Limited. We are given balance profit and loss account. It doesn't need to classify the profits of H Limited, but in case of S, it will be exception. Now as previous year profit 34,000 and current year loss 4,000, that means profit and loss account balance of S Limited 26,000. Bills payable or not payable S Limited 6,000, S Limited 6,000. General reserve H Limited 1,10,000 and S Limited 40,000. It is noted that general reserve of S Limited should be treated as capital profit or last year profit. General reserve of S Limited should be treated as capital profit or last year profit. Now, sundry creditors or account payable 12,000 and 4,000. We are going to discuss about other information. H Limited acquired the share of S Limited on 1st January 2005. Acquiring date. Limited acquired the S Limited. The general reserve of S Limited remains. The general reserve of S Limited is only for the last year, not for any portion of current. All the amount of general reserve of S Limited connected with last year. That means capital profit. Among 40,000 of general reserve of S Limited, there is no portion, there is no amount of 2005 or amount. Dear students, now the information 3. The sundry debtors of H includes Taka 3,000 receivable from S Limited. That means H accounts receivable creditors. It will be 3,000 will be deducted and 3,000 will be deducted from H debtors and S creditors. Limited at a market price of Taka, which in that means on Goda there is a Taka 4,000 selling price which is not sold, that means unsold goods, and these goods there is a 20% profit included. That means profit, the amount of unrealized profit would be 4,000 is divided by 125 into 25, 800 unrealized. Unrealized profit should be deducted from the H profit and loss account. Should be deducted profit and loss account. Dear students, now the are payable only. It is also intertransaction. S limited bills receivable and S limited bills payable should be by the bills of S limited are payable only to H limited. That means H limited bills receivable and S limited bills payable will be deducted from the smaller amount. We can see in the question bill receivable of H limited and bills payable of S limited 6,000. So 6,000 will be deducted from the fixed asset of S. The fixed asset of S limited are undervalued by tax. Here are undervalued. Since S limited asset are undervalued, the